Hello everyone. So today we are going to do narration, direct and indirect speech. So basically, what is narration? Whenever you are informing something to third person, whenever you are telling something about the speaker to the third person, that is narration. Like whatever I talk to you, you are informing to your mother. So who is the third person? Your mother. And who is the speaker? I am the speaker, and you are telling to your mother about what I told you. So that is narration. See, what is narration? The art of reporting the words of a speaker is called narration. Now, there are two ways how you can inform to the third person. One, you can repeat. Means whatever I am telling to you, you can repeat word to word as usual to your mother, or you can tell to your mother in your own words. So there are these two ways to narrate something. This is actually the direct and indirect speech. See, types of speech. There are two main ways of reporting the words of a speaker. Direct speech, that is repeated speech, that whatever I am telling to you and you are informing to your mother as usual in my own words, it is repeated speech. And when you are informing to your mother in your own words, that is reported speech, that is indirect speech. See, now let's see the example of direct speech. I have caught 3 fish. The train will leave in 10 minutes. I know this type of angels. I love ice cream. I am a clever girl. So who is the speaker? The speaker is itself is saying something, that is direct speech. So in direct speech, we use speaker's own words and we use the quote marks. We use quotation, the inverted commas. But whenever we use the same word of the speaker, we put all that words in inverted commas. Understood? Now let's see how to change direct speech into indirect speech. So how do we change? Like whatever I am telling to you, I use I, and in front of your mother, what will you use for me? You will use she. So this is change. This you changed. Whenever you are telling in your own words, you changed this. So we change direct speech into indirect speech. Here is the one example of pronoun like direct speech. John said, I am coming. And what is indirect speech? John said that he was coming. Okay, I am coming is the present tense and he was coming is the past tense. So this tense also you have to change. We will read the rules later. Let's first understand the concept. So reported speech. How it's the reported speech? See, here is the one example, one sentence. I am traveling for Oxford tomorrow. So Oxford tomorrow. This is the direct speech. Now what will be the indirect speech? Here is the one example. I saw John yesterday and she told me that I am traveling in Oxford tomorrow. Is it right? I am traveling. Is he telling for himself or for me? No, he is telling for himself. So what do I need to change? That he was telling, not I am traveling. See the right sentence. I saw John yesterday and she told me that she was traveling Oxford the next day. I don't know the tomorrow word. I don't know how the tomorrow will come. What was the tomorrow? So we will use the next day. This is the right sentence. So what is indirect speech? When we want to report what someone said without speech marks. Here we don't use the speech marks, the quotation marks. and without necessarily using exactly the same words. We are not using here the same words also, we are changing into in our own words. We can use indirect speech, also called reported speech. In newspaper, in article, we use reporting speech. You have ever seen the newspaper article? You must see. So here are some example how do we change the direct speech into indirect speech. Like in the simple present tense, she said, I am happy. In indirect speech, she said that she was happy. So simple past change into the simple present change into the simple past. Then present continuous, he said, I am reading a book. So present continuous will change into past continuous. He said that he was reading a book. Simple past, she said, Megan arrived on Tuesday. Now simple past will change into the past perfect. She said that Megan has arrived on Tuesday. Past continuous, they said, we were living in Paris. So how past continuous will change? The past continuous will change into past perfect continuous. They said they had been living in Paris. Here you must have to be clear with the tenses, with the forms of verbs. Then only you can do direct and indirect speech. Thank you.